Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life. I'm at Pomos Beach, or Pomos Harbour today. I've just been checking up the route that my latest road trips are going to take, make sure that they're all still current. And I wanted to take a picture of the beach bar because it's been done up recently, and my last picture, which I was going to use for the ebook, had the old, it used to have a funny statue or whatever on the roof, but it's no longer there, so I thought I'd take a new one. But it's rather blustery here today, so I thought I'd do a little film as well, just so you can see what it looks like. I'm not going to go all the way out to the end there because I will get soaked if I do. Hopefully you can still hear me though. Yes, I went up to Paphos, Kathikas and Panagia just then, and everything I had previously photographed is still there, which is good to know. They should be out before the spring half term, which is an ideal time for them. And there's 3 in total that will be coming out. The first one covers Kritou and Panagia. The second one goes from Paphos to Polis, and the final one is the one I did of the east of the island, so it's got iron apple and Paphos and stuff. And I've been sat on a couple of them, and to be quite honest, they're taking ages to write because of COVID and all that, but so it'd be nice to get them out. And they'll be available on Amazon, and I'm also trying to get it up so that you can buy them direct from our website, because they don't cost much, and when Amazon take their cut, we literally get a pittance, so it'd be nice if we could do it that way as well, and it'd work out, you can't hear this probably now anyway, but it'd work out cheap for you as well. But that's if I can get my finger out of my bottom and do the programming for it. Oh, it's nice and wet now, I felt that. Oh, there's a surfboard there. I think that's what used to be on the roof of the what's the word I'm looking for, beach bar. Nice big waves here. Not obviously a good day for snorkeling. Go as far as this little bit, just so you can have a look around the other side. If I can do that without getting wet. Have a little leg up there. Oh, and there's not that else to see around there. I'm not going to go any further because I have a feeling I could be saying, oh, just the next bit round the corner for quite a while. But I love this part of Cyprus. Hang on, I'm going to get down again now. Pomos area is criminally used by tourists. It's well worth your trouble, and normally it's a calm sea here. This is the exception rather than the rule, and there'll be, in the summertime at least, the usual deck chairs, quite ornate ones here I seem to remember. But just for now, we've had very odd weather today actually. It started out about 15 degrees warmer than we'd expect for this time of year. I was going to fly the drone, but it's really too windy for that. Well, we'll go up to the harbour now, and there's a restaurant up there you can just see. They do traditional Cypriot food, very nice fish as well I seem to remember, we ate there once. And there's toilets and changing area. Oop. Now parking wise, we're the only car here today, but normally like in the tourist season there'd be a lot of cars here, and if you can't park here, just go back up the hill and there's a little bit to the left where you can park. You won't be too far away from it. other places to see near here are Dragon Caves Beach, just down there, Paphos itself, and well, I won't say any more because that'll give away what's in the road trip. But look out for the road trips when they come out, because they're well worth investing if you're thinking of exploring the area. Just hopefully that when you do that, it'll be a little bit calmer. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Bye.